Hello everybody, welcome back to another video at Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Well, we got a bunch of holes back there in the woods from predators and other animals. And we got a lot of coons, we got a lot of possums that hang out around here. We're going to do some trapping today. We are going to set a trap. If you guys know, sometimes the lid gets left off the dog food can. And it did, and it rained. So we got about half a bag of dog food that got wet, kind of crumbled together, so we can't feed it to the animals. They may have mildew or something else in there, so we're going to use it to trap those animals. Let's get started. What Hallie's wanting to show you guys. Hey, you got to put it behind that, right on the grass, to be 10 meters right there. So Hallie wants to show you something real quick. I forgot. Then we'll get to trapping. Man, why you guys got your Chiefs gear on for today?
Super Bowl Sunday.
Super Bowl Sunday. All right. Hey. Yep. Hey, there we go. See if it works.
Don't think. Got it.
Alrighty. Hunter's got the trap. I'm gonna come grab the dog food, and we're gonna get this trap set out and try to see if we can catch these predators. Coming up, we got possums that come out quite a bit on the porch at night and try to get in our cat food. And you know, upon just reading this article the other day, I did not realize the disease, the EPM disease that possums are known to carry. So I gotta get them out of here. Nasty old dog food. All right, let's go out here and set it back in the woods, away from the house where the cats and stuff shouldn't get into it. So we're gonna put it back here by the creek where that hole was, and you guys saw a couple videos ago. And I'll come check it tomorrow and see what we got. That last coon we had in here was like a super coon.
Huge.
We kind of messed this thing up a little bit.
Huge.
Broke my handle off here and all kinds of stuff, so I'm having to
Put it back.
make my own handle here. Because if you catch an old mean coon, you want to have something to grab onto him with. You don't want to have to put your fingers in here like that, because what might happen, kiddos?
Bite you?
Yeah, old mean old coon. Yeah, that might work. Alright.
So when it touches that thing right there, it'll close?
Yep. So we're going to put this food back here in the back of this thing. Like that. So where they walk through here, and then when they get back there, their feet touches that, and it whop, hits them in the booty.
What if they step over it?
They can't. Put a little bit out here like that. Just say, hey, guys, come look, there's more. Think it'll work?
Yep. Try them.
So what do you guys think? You think this will work? Smash the like button if you think it will. Drop it in the comments. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. What do you think? It's gonna work? Yes? No? Maybe?
Yeah.
Yep. What about you? Yes? No? Maybe?
Maybe they may be smart because they might have been in one before.
That's true. That's true. She made a very good point there. But the most coons we've ever caught in this trap is 3 in one trap. That's when they were getting up on the porch before we moved the dog food to that one with the locking lid. We had it in a big plastic trash can, and they would rip the lid off of it and eat the lid. Right here along the creek where they travel anyways. You know anything about coons or predators, they're going to travel the creek. And we got this.
They can smell it.
Got this predator hole here. And then we got dog food, then we got trap. What do you think? On a scale of 1 to 10, how good is this setup?
8.
8. On a scale of 1 to 10, how good is this setup?
7.
7? On a scale of 1 to 10, how good is this setup? Drop in the comments. I'm going to give it at least like a 9.5 out of 10. I mean, we got everything they want here. It's going to work.
What dog food?
We bound to catch one tonight. We bound to. It's going to happen. So, next time you guys see us on video, we're going to be hoisting up a predator out of this trap. I'm just telling you, it's going to happen. It's guaranteed. Okay, wait. She wants to change her rating.
8.
Hold on, look at it.
8.7.
8.7. Oh,
You said 8.
you said 8.
Mine's
Oh, you want to change now?
He just wants to get higher than mine.
3, 2, 1.
9.3.
9.3. All right, 9.3. I gave it like a 9.7, right?
You said 9.5.
Okay, 9.5, and you gave it a 8.7. That's pretty good odds. Pretty good odds. I think we'll do it. All right, guys, we'll catch you guys later on in this video, and we're going to see what came out of that hole and what's in that trap. Oh, Huddy, what you going swimming? Hey, there's no water in there, silly. Oh, what was that? So, while we're out here, we come to check the trap, and success. There is something in the trap. We'll come on over and let you guys have a closer look. If you remember in one of our last videos, you talked about the predators that we have on the homestead and what this particular predator carries that can be transmitted to our animals through the feed. So it's really good we caught one of these and we can rid him, get him off the homestead. So let's come take a look.
What do you see?
Those are thorns.
Give me your head. Daddy's gonna get it.
Ouch.
What is that? That's not a mau-mau. That's not.
Is that a mau-mau?
That's not a mau-mau. What is
that a mau-mau?
It's a possum. You say possum?
No, let's not touch the possum.
Daddy, can you say possum?
Say possum?
What is that? Possum. Possum.
So like we said, this creature here will spread diseases through our cat food that he's been getting in on the porch and feeding at night. So it's really good we caught him. There's several more that we need to get rid of also.
We have a possum problem.
Because we do not want any of our animals catching that disease and dying. So this is a win-win on the homestead.
Now, typically Thor would keep these away, but he is in the pen with the goats and they don't go in that area and he doesn't come out of that pen. So anyway, that's why they come up on the porch, because they don't have a dog to get rid of them. Oh, is he hissing at you?
Yeah.
Alright, what are we going to do?
Go check the trap.
Alright. Think there's something in it?
Yep. We did chase off a possum last night that went into the hole right next to it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, guys like Hayden. She went chasing after it and it was about to go into the trap. Then it ran into the hole. So I bet when we left it. Oh, there's something in it. Look. See it?
Possum.
It moved the trap. It moved the trap.
Well, me and Daddy May have already checked it and he moved it up. What's it doing? Sleeping?
No, just staring at us. So cute.
It's cute.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
They're not cute.
Yes, they are.
They're weird.
I bet Daddy knew about it. That's why he told us to come check it.
Yeah, he did. It was back there, but me and
Yeah,
him,
we did.
he moved it up. Buddy came and looked at it.
What did he say, Meow Meow?
He was trying to, he wanted to touch. Yeah, he did actually say meow meow. He thought it was a cat. Oh, he's hissing. He's being nice.
See how look how cute he is.
He's not cute. He's vicious.
But cute.
Can I get this? Can I drop the stick?
He looks not happy. Let's not pester him. Them teeth, they're kind of sharp.
No.
Eating all your food.
We're keeping the possum.
We are not keeping the possum.
We're gonna hold it like our neighbor.
That's what I told Daddy. I said we should take it to our neighbor. She likes them.
Let's take it to her.
No, I was kidding.
I want to.
Drop it on our front porch. We got you a pet.
Here you go.
Surprise. All right. Success.
Alrighty, well Lindy's already let the chickens out today, and you can see this is the reason why we don't have snakes and rats and all that stuff. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I don't even know where the other ones are at. Oh, one of them's over there.
We have 6.
I thought we had 7. Oh,
Oh,
Fluffy's.
Fluffy's. She was never technically ours, but.
What are you doing?
Hello.
Really?
They keep the mice away.
Uh-oh.
What?
That's
Yep, slide.
Oh. Well, good thing Mama was there. Slide.
Ow.
Woo.
Ow.
You gonna play baseball?
I think I hit some baseballs now. Watch it.
When he was doing it earlier.
He watched Bubba do this yesterday. Woo! Good job, buddy.
Help him, Mama.
Hattie, what are you doing?
Okay.
Are you helping Mama clean? Clean out the flower beds or the raised beds?
And our tomato beds, huh? You love tomatoes.
I think he's wanting out.
You want out?
So we're going to try to get all these raised beds cleaned out and get ready because before we know it, it'll be time to put seeds in the ground, plants in the ground, and start doing our gardening. So we're going to clean these out today while it's still moist from all that moisture, all that sleet and rain we got. So it's really easy to clean out right now. So that's what we're going to do. Alright guys, well that's all we got on today's video. We got these 3 beds ready to go. Almost ready to go. We'll have to work them over 1 or 2 more times. Put in some soil mix and then plant in these things. We got a predator trap, so pretty successful weekend on the homestead. I'd like to thank you guys so much for tuning in, for watching. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you guys have not subscribed to our channel at Moorhead Homestead, please subscribe. And if you liked Lindy's video, you want to see more of Lindy in these videos, drop in the comments, let us know, because she's just eager to get in front of this camera. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, God bless.
Yeah.